Hello guys, welcome back to Cyberpunk Technology. Welcome back to the series of Ethereum, Solidity, blockchain, etc. So, in the previous video, we have done the sample of our program in Remix ID. Now we will discuss a few things about variables and variable types, function, and constructor and integers. So let's start with state variables. State variables is declared inside contract and it's public. It will create a get function automatic and public position defines its use. Permanently stored in contact storage, cost gas means it is expensive and storage not dynamically allocated. So now local variables declared inside functions and are kept on the stacked LIFO not on storage, don't cost gas, and there are some types that reference the storage by default, example string, and etc.
View function is opposite of the pure function. It will read but not write your function. Pure function, it will not change our state variable. It will not also read state variable. If you want to use a string function in your local function, so you have to add memory after string, and this memory keyword can't be used at contract level.
So now we will discuss about getter and setter function. And setter is for setting values and getter is for to get values. Okay. When you call a setter function, it creates a transaction that needs to be mined and cost gas because it changes the blockchain, vice versa for getter function. When you declare a public state variable, a getter is automatically created by default variable visibility is private. Constructor executed only once and
You can create only one constructor, and that is optional. If you don't want to create it, it's not that important because it will create it automatically. So it's a optional part. Default constructor is created by the compiler if there is no explicitly defined constructor.
now integers. So we have discussed about integer. We will get a quick revision. Integers have two types, int and uint. Int is signed and uint in unsigned integer can be of various size. Okay, so int has size int 8 to int 256 and uints have size uints 8 to unit 25 256. Sorry.
Int alias to int 256, uint alias to uint 256.
By default, an int is initialized to 0. Overflow gets detected at compile time. Range int 8 is minus 128 to plus 127 and integer 16 is minus 327,682 plus 327,67.
Uint 8 is 0 to 255 and uint 16 is 0 to 65535.
So operators. There are three operators. First is comparison operator, second is bit operator, and third is arithmetic operators.
Comparison operators include less than equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, and double equal to. Bit operators are AND, NOT, XOR, or bitwise exclusive or bitwise negative. Arithmetic operators are plus minus, unre minus, unre plus, multiply, divide, remainder, exponential, power, left shift, right shift.
Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk about overflow problem in Solidity and arrays. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.